Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Maya Dominique. I'm an OBGYN physician that services patients in the Northwest Indiana area, specifically in Gary and Maryville. I practice with NorthShore Health Centers. I've been here for approximately 4 years, and I do my surgeries and deliver my babies at Methodist Hospital in Gary and also Maryville. We have some exciting news coming up. NorthShore is officially the sponsor of a health fair that I will be hosting on April 27th. It is this coming up Saturday. It is going to be at the Gary Boys and Girls Club that is in Gary, Indiana. The address is 2700 West 19th Avenue in Gary, Indiana. We look forward to you coming. We will be there from 11 o'clock until 3 o'clock having great fun with fellowship, food, and community resources. This came about because, as some of you might know, that Black women are 2 to 3 times more likely to die in pregnancy than any race. Black maternal morbidity and mortality are at an all-time high, and right now everyone is coming together to try to figure this thing out so we can combat this issue. In addition, more specifically to our area in Lake County, our babies are more likely to die by the age of 1, specifically in our county, and that is what we call infant mortality. So as a physician, I realized there are so many resources in this area particularly because of these staggering and alarming statistics. There are so many resources, so many programs where they will follow you and the baby up to 2 years old. There are so many things that you may not know that you have access to make sure that you have the support that you need pre-pregnancy, during pregnancy, after pregnancy, and even for your baby. So what I did, I said, you know what, let's get all of these resources under one roof so our women don't have to try and figure this out. And also to help all the community, all of the practicing providers in this community to make sure that we are able to give our patients all this information. So we're going to bring about 25 vendors under one roof to make sure that the women in this area have access and have the resources that they need. I want to make sure that you're armed with education and that you have all the tools that you need to be successful. Please know that I feel it is important that we establish relationships with the individuals that will be serving us. Know that the individuals that will be coming to the health fair are actually the people that will be providing the services to you. So I have mental health, mental wellness people that will be there. And those will be the exact people that I refer you to. We have Nurse Family Partnership. These are the nurses that I will be referring you to. Many of the smiling faces that you see at NorthShore will be the volunteers that will be there. We are there and excited to greet you with a warm welcome where we continue to strive to put forth NorthShore's mission that we provide comprehensive health care and quality health care to every single person, every single time. You might be asking, why am I calling this the Women's Health Fair when you can see that I've been talking a lot about pregnancy and babies? Well, what I realize is it's going to take more than just educating the pregnant woman. It is going to take actually educating the community. These staggering statistics are present a lot in part. We know that we've seen that it could be because physicians are not listening or because women, their preconception health is not it's not optimized. However, what we realize is that people actually don't know. You don't know what you don't know. We want to make sure that everyone is educated regarding these alarming statistics, because if you see that possibly one of your family members might have postpartum preeclampsia, might be suffering from postpartum depression, if you come to the health fair, you would have received all the resources and know where they can get help. We expect a room full of fun, dancing, we're gonna have music, we're gonna have resources, we're gonna have free haircuts. So bring out any of your children under the age of 17. It is Little Lou's will be there to support and give free haircuts to everyone. There's gonna be plenty of gifts. I have strollers, I have car seats, bottle sanitizers, I have bottles, I have diapers. There are so many resources that NorthShore has provided to make sure that you guys receive quality things in order to have a successful pregnancy and delivery. In addition, one major key component that I feel is important is nutrition. And we will have a chef there that will actually be preparing nutritious meals to give you guys simple meals that you can prepare for your family that are actually really good. We are going to prepare them and you will be able to taste them. We understand that in this area that we are in food deserts, and sometimes you may not be close to a grocery store or where you can get nutritious meals. So we want to make sure that when you go to the store, you pick the right things to make sure that you have a successful pregnancy, postpartum period, and healthy children. After the health fair, what else can you expect? On Sunday, from 3 to 5 p.m., we are going to be doing a Zoom call. On the Zoom call, it is myself. I have another lady that is on there that I'm related to, that is a survivor of postpartum preeclampsia that was not heard at her hospital, okay? Then I have another lady there that is going to be talking about the mental health component, mental wellness component that is important throughout your pregnancy, postpartum, and even your life. On that session, we will make sure that you are going to receive different tools and tips to make sure that you're able to advocate for yourself. Advocate for yourself if you don't feel like you're being listened to, if you're not being heard, and if you do not feel safe. Please come on. We are going to be having an open discussion where we want to hear what concerns you might have, as well as give you pivotal information that we know will make a difference in your pregnancy and postpartum.